All right, Jersey Sports Cards here. We're doing another box here for Tom. Good luck, man. Allen and Ginter, 2016. Come on, Sharapova. One time. DeGrom. Ooh, number 25. Good luck. Black border autograph to 25. Craven? Is that a Ricky Craven race car driver? NASCAR driver. Black border autograph, 5 of 25. Ricky Bobby. The Rendon was a regular mini. Marble Caves, regular mini. Pettit, regular mini. Beltron, Ginter back. Mount Everest, Zimmerman, regular. Rodriguez, regular mini. Hernandez, regular mini. Bench. And we got Bunche? Ralph Bunche. All right. Hamilton, Billy, regular mini. And we got a Ricky Craven hot box. Ricky Craven hot box. At least Top stays consistent across the board on collation. Have to give him that. DeGrom, regular mini. Stargell, Gordon, regular mini. Ferocious Felines, mini. Harbor of Rio de Janeiro. Mayers, Murray. Black Border, Mendoza. Calhoun, regular mini. Ford, Sousa, Ginter back. Then we got Mayers, Rawlings, Blake. Mem is Kang. Jung Ho. Oh, there he is. On the move, Chris Sale. Black Border mini. Angels will take him. Cliffs of Mohar. Woods. Is that Cheyenne? It is. I don't think they'll trade him. He's too good, man. How are you going to let go a guy like that just for slicing up some subways and streetcars? Slicing up some unis? Come on, man. It's too good. Babe Ruth. Steinberg. Regular. Yeah, right? I think anybody will take that seamstress. Kluber. From the Windians. Myers. Grand Canyon to Shields. Alan Ginter back. There you go, Tom. Man. Black Border autograph.